Microsoft, the tech giant that's been hitting the headlines more than a celebrity in a tabloid. If today's news had a theme, it was definitely all about a series of moves involving Microsoft that paints a picture of a giant both in transition and economic strategies. Firstly, let's delve into the stock market jitters. Microsoft shares hit a bit of a skid today, down around 3.2% by mid-afternoon. The backdrop, a bubbling trade war between the U.S. and China. President Donald Trump decided to crank up the tariffs on Chinese imports to a jaw-dropping 145%, which sent shockwaves through the markets. Even though tariffs on other countries were quelled at 10% yesterday, the unpredictability of these pricing wars did little to soothe investor nerves. Naturally, this prompted fears that economic turmoil could force big tech names like Microsoft to rein in their investment shticks. Speaking of reeling back, Microsoft made headlines for shelving its ambitious $1 billion data center in Ohio, part of a larger theme where it's hitting the pause button on projects from Europe to Australia. The strategic pullout indicates that someone's at Redmond HQ playing a fiscal game of chess. The company is being a stickler for its investment strategy, choosing smart pacing over hasty demolishing, especially with concerns such as semiconductor tariffs and AI overcapacity looming around. Now, how about Microsoft's abrupt departure from campus and beyond? It's not a new college kid tale, but rather a case of the tech giant ruffling feathers halfway across the globe. Microsoft abruptly decided to terminate 365 services for Sun Yat-sen University and BGI Group in China, stranding academia and business folks without a virtual umbrella. The uni gave a heartfelt memo asking folks to pack their digital bags, and pronto. Could this be Microsoft flexing its muscle amidst a technological decoupling from China, or is there more than meets the eye? Unfortunately, the reason remains as under wraps as Secret 11 herbs and spices. With the American and Chinese governments in a commercial tango of their own, these moves could very well be tech collateral caught in geopolitical crossfire. Also, Microsoft's previous job cuts are raising eyebrows, pushing the narrative that the corporate titan might be girding for an even rockier ride. All this cloud underlining day-to-day happenings, but as the tech doings go, no one else quite harnesses storytelling in AI, cloud computing, and enterprise shelves like Microsoft does. Its strategy, albeit in flux today, signals it remains planted firmly by its play to thrive amidst the changing winds. In every sector tarnished by tariffs and trades, Microsoft remains a luminary, focal on leveraging these tides to sail towards greater heights. Thus, no matter the looming uncertainties, we're reminded that like a Windows update, Microsoft can't help but make an appearance, projected to move and shift in directions we'd least expect. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.